Set and Forget Review, Set and Forget Review, Set and Forget by Brendan Mace Review. What's inside Set and Forget? Well, if you're going to sell anything online, you'll need a slick looking page. Even to give something away for free, you'll need a great looking squeeze page. You have a few options. You can design it yourself, you'll need skills and time for that. You can pay someone else to design it for you, it's costly. You can use DIY pages from ClickFunnels or other funnel builder, it costs at least $97 per month, or you can snatch Set and Forget and get 630 niche specific sales pages and squeeze pages you can use for anything, funnels, selling, giveaways, delivery pages and much more. Go here at 9 a.m. EST on May 27th to get it with my exclusive bonuses. My honest Set and Forget review, Brendan and me, smiley face. Go here on May 27th at 9 a.m. EST and grab it with my awesome bonuses. Set and Forget Review, Eugen Bots by Brendan Mace Review. Your time is super important, would you agree? It's very easy to waste hours of work every single day and get nowhere, especially if you're just starting out. You need a system capable of making you money that saves you time at the same time. We can always make more money, but it's time that's non-renewable at the end of the day. You need something that operates fast. This new system is designed to automate processes that would have taken you years to do on your own. How long would it take you to create your own system like this from scratch?